Is there any way to determine how many books are selling new versus used? So yeah, so what I basically do for that is you'll notice on books specifically, there's two buy boxes. A lot of times, not on every single listing, but on, I would say most listings, honestly, maybe like 90 to 95% of book listings, there's a used buy box and a new buy box. So make sure that when you're running Jungle Scout, or if you're not using Jungle Scout, I recommend using Jungle Scout, obviously, because it's very, very accurate. It's not 100% accurate, but also it's going to save you a lot of time when you're sourcing through like a lot of books or a lot of listings in general. It's going to add up and pay for itself time and time again because it's going to save you a lot of time, right? So what I would say is run Jungle Scout on each of those buy boxes. If you want the new buy box, or the new price, run Jungle Scout on the new buy box, right? If you want the used price, make sure to click on the used one so that the used buy box is showing, and then run Jungle Scout, right? And it's the same thing if for whatever reason you're not using Jungle Scout, then what I would say is take the ASIN into like a free calculator. I think I'm pretty sure Jungle Scout has a free BSR calculator as well. You can Google that. But like I said, I recommend using the Chrome extension. And so what I'd say is just make sure that you're using the ASIN for the used buy box and then switch it over for the new, use the ASIN for the new to get those specific, sales data, right? So that was like a long-winded answer, but yeah, there's a buy box for each of them. Just make sure that you're on the specific buy box and then run the numbers, and you'll know the new versus used buy box prices.